Yo, what it do with y'all, man? Yes, I'm sweating. It's hot as hell. I feel like Ricky Bobby right now. I'm on fire. You feel me? But you know, you gonna get into sun today. I don't know what, but we're gonna get into sun today. I'm not sure, but we're gonna do something, you dig? Damn, boy, look at that quality. Eee. Hey man, y'all don't get to see chat like this every day. So like I always say, man, make sure you subscribe, you comment, you like, and you share this video so more people can get this entertainment and this richness, you feel me? This richness. You know. You don't get to see this every day. But if you subscribe, you do, you feel me? Watch all the videos, you feel me? Watch them all the way through. This is pure, unadulterated comedy entertainment on my channel, you dig? And check this out. I'm just not leaving Stone Crush, you dig? Hey, y'all need to turn y'all damn AC up or something, bro. Cause I was lit kind of hot in there. Like, like I just nose starts sweating. See, the first thing on my body that starts sweating is my nose. You know, they say when your nose starts sweating, it mean you mean or something. Hey man, I'm the nicest, coolest person you'll ever meet. Well, I ain't gonna say, I probably ain't the nicest, but I am one of the nicest people you'll ever meet. And yeah. So you know your boy went in there. I told y'all I was gonna go get them Mocha 3s, and guess what I did? I got them 3s. You did. So I was 11 and a half. They only had 11. So I was on the fence about getting the shoe anyway. So you wanna try these on? See, usually I don't try on shoes. I just take them and go, you feel me? Because I'm like, yo, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna be one of those guys to try these shoes on in the store. Like, I don't wanna be that guy. But I had to be that guy. And once I put the motherfuckers on my foot on land, I said, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I said, oh yeah, I'm finna kill the game with these. Like I said, a lot of y'all folks say these shoes were ugly, but y'all don't got fashion, y'all don't have style. Like y'all don't know what to do with just a basic color. When I tell you brown can almost go with anything, just like black can almost go with anything, you just gotta know how to maneuver. And a lot of you niggas do not know how to maneuver. So don't blame nobody else for your, you know, failed learnings of the color wheel. You feel me? But I need to go to Macy's. There's a Macy's in here. I'm gonna go to the Macy's over there at South Lake because I had some shorts for these shoes. Now I'm gonna get them. I'm probably just gonna order them on ralphlauren.com. If y'all, I would let y'all see these shorts, but I want y'all to see the fit that I'm gonna put with these guys. You dig? You know what I'm saying? And that's why I just said on this little thing, he gotta know that
he lost millions.
Tyson Fury. Yeah. Well, Rue got no Tyson Fury and Deontay Wilder from try to come for them belts.
Wilder been trying to fight it.
Yeah.
The thing about it though, he done lost millions now.
Lost.
So he ain't got the belt now.
He gonna have to get him back. That's why I said hopefully he got something in contract.
That's why you said he was trying to be nice to do. He'll get another rematch. No.
Well, if he got in the contract, hopefully he got in the contract, he can he can box him before anybody else get a title shot.
He wasn't in there. He was begging at the end.
It wasn't in there.
He was begging. Let me tell you what he was talking. He was getting gracious to Mexico and all that. He coming with all them damn muscles. I tell you, all them muscles don't mean nothing. I see him go down the line. He got no hope.
Yeah. got that stain goddamn going crazy, dog. You know what I'm saying? I call that. That's not the Vanilla Ice guy, but it look like that Vanilla Ice guy, man. That thing sounds crazy, man. What year is this? 87 Mustang GT. The 5.0? 5.0. 87 GT 5.0. Sound crazy, dog. I want to give me a Mustang make it sound like that right there, you dig? Whoa. Me get something like that, you hear me coming down the street for, you know what I'm saying? Woo. But it's a beautiful day, man. Hopefully y'all folks done did something progressive or trying to progress in life for real, you know? And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and you know, all that good stuff. Hit that notification bell for your boy. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to grow, I'm trying to be big out here, you feel me? I'm bringing all types of comments. I mean, not comments, content to my channel, bro. It ain't just one set thing or pranks, all that, man. I'm bringing cars, I'm bringing food, I'm bringing clothes, I'm bringing shoes. I'm just bringing daily vlogging. So whatever happens, or it might not even be daily, because I'm gonna probably do something weekly. When I get enough, when I get more subscribers, then it'll probably become daily, or at least 2 or 3 out the week. Right now you're gonna get 1 every week, you know what I'm saying? When it, you know what I'm saying? Because I got a lot of videos I really could put out. But, hey, that's why I'm working on my editing, man. That's why my editing gonna start getting better, and it's starting to get better. You dig? I'm trying to bring like some editing that you ain't seeing on YouTube on the regular. You feel me? So, but with that being said, I need subscribers. I need y'all to share these videos, comment on these videos, cause you know, I'm trying to bring y'all good quality. I want this to be a real like show, man, that y'all could really just be like, okay, I mess with it, you dig? You know? They got screaming! They got screaming! You feel me? Y'all see the, hold on. I don't know if y'all can see, but it like little, I don't know if y'all can see, but it like little watermarks. That guy sounds crazy. Color on this guy's magnifico. I think he gonna change the interior. Well, it's not the interior, like the radio and stuff. I don't know when he gonna change it. You know, my uncle be procrastinating about stuff. If he ain't on it, he ain't too much worried about it.
Yeah, that's how I know basically what's going on with it.
Your boy got a game, feel me? We ain't talking about Foot Locker. Although I did get these from Foot Locker.